Everybody is curious about cracking joints. Is it really bad for you? Let's find out. Okay, so first things first. Cracking joints is super common. Whether it's your knuckles, neck, or back, most of us have done it. But is it harmful? Surprisingly, there's no solid evidence linking it to arthritis or long-term damage. The popping sound? That's just gas bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. Weird, right? However, if you feel pain when you crack your joints or if they're swelling, it's time to see a doctor. So while the occasional crack is usually harmless, listen to your body. Remember, moderation is key. So go ahead, crack those knuckles, but maybe not in your grandma's ear. Stay curious, stay informed. Thanks for watching.